Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to print black and white in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to print black and white. Firstly, go to the File menu and go to the Document Setup option. Then go to the Color Management option, and we can see here the color format. Now I am select the drop down menu, and we can see here the gray 8 or 16. Now I am select the gray 8. Then you can change the model, dimension or document setup. Now I am click OK. Then go to the File menu and click the Print option. Then click Ignore and Continue. Then we can see here the black and white option, then print option, then click OK. Now we can see we print black and white very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.